Hi, I'm Tony Christopher, and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we will cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. The yen increased for a third week versus the US dollar, which is its longest winning streak in almost a year. The Japanese yen rose against the US dollar as the extra yield investors get for investing in US Treasury two-year debt versus comparable Japanese government bonds fell to the lowest in 5 months, thereby decreasing the appeal of the dollar-dominated assets. The Japanese yen was last trading at the level of 79.17, which is a decrease of minus 0.16%. The euro rose from its lowest level against the US dollar in more than 2 years on speculation that global central banks will take further action to boost flagging economic growth. The Federal Reserve Chairman, Ben S. Bernanke, will report about the U.S. economic outlook to Congress next week. He is scheduled to give a semi-annual report on the economy and monetary policy to the Senate Banking Committee on July the 17th, and he'll report to the House Financial Services Committee the following day. There is increased speculation that the European Central Bank is set to ease monetary policy, including cutting its deposit rate further if the European debt crisis worsens and slowing growth in China increased bets that stimulus there will be boosted. The euro was last seen trading against the US dollar at the level of 1.2248, which is an increase of 0.38%. The Canadian dollar rose to its strongest level in a week against the US dollar on speculation that slowing growth in China will boost further monetary stimulus, adding to risk appetite. The Canadian dollar has fallen 1.5% since the end of March against the US dollar. Futures on crude oil, which is Canada's largest export, dropped about 15% in this period amid speculation that Europe's debt crisis will continue to affect global growth, diminishing demand for raw materials. The Canadian dollar was last seen trading at the level of 1.0138, which is a decrease of minus 0.49%. In commodities, oil rose for a third day, which is its longest winning streak in a month, as slowing growth in China is fueling expectations that policymakers will boost stimulus in China. Oil advanced as the United States announced further sanctions on Iran. Oil was last trading at the level of $87.10 a barrel, which is an increase of 1.18%. Well, that is all the time we have for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Tony Christopher. Good luck and happy trading.